Chemistry is a subject that can either be loved by the most of students, but some students find difficulty in learning it. In exam time, everyone is searching for how to study chemistry. It might be challenging and it's not an everyone's cup of tea, but it becomes easy by making it a fun subject to learn. The best way to study anything is by relating it. With this kind of strategy, chemistry can become the easiest subject in the world. So, let's learn chemistry by actually making it fun. So, watch the video till the end. So, you cannot even miss any point to ace in chemistry. The first point is try to understand then to memorize. Chemistry is divided into two main subdivisions. One is inorganic chemistry and the other is organic. It depends on your capability, but most of the students have a fear of organic chemistry and they keeps asking that how to study organic chemistry. Well, it's the easiest. You just need to keep in mind one thing, and it is understand more. Focus on understanding than just on learning the chemical formula or so. The second point is work with a study buddy. Two heads are better than one. Learning becomes much easier when you have someone taking the journey with you. If you are struggling to learn a lesson, the topper student may be able to help you understand it by explaining it in the way of a student. Sometimes it becomes easier to understand the topic from your friend than anyone else. The third point is don't learn chemistry while you are sleepy. Yes, it's true. Chemistry requires a certain type of concentration. It has different types of formula and equations to understand. When we are sleepy, we lack concentration. It is natural because our receptors are constantly giving demands to the brain that it is the time to sleep. Because our mind has also a limit, it also requires rest. So, if you feel tired, then take rest for some time and then you can start learning. The fourth point is mind maps. Mind mapping is the easiest way to study chemistry. Once you are aware of the topics, your next step should be to create a strategy of which topic to be covered first and which to be at the last. The way you can learn chemistry fast, do not believe it. Try it once and thanks me later. The fifth point is learn the periodic table using songs and mnemonics. Periodic table is the basis of chemistry. If you can learn first 20 elements of the periodic table, then this will help you a lot. Pay attention to the patterns within the periodic table. You have to know the valence electrons and remember how to draw shells. Some people use songs to learn the table. The sixth point is use flashcards. Flashcards are nothing new, but they really works. They are particularly useful for studying chemistry. Chemistry is full of scientific symbols, formulas, and vocabulary that must be memorized. Once you have created an organized set of flashcards, you will find memorization must be easier. So, follow these 6 points and make chemistry an easier subject to learn. Don't be afraid. Just only train your mind to crack the exam with your full potential. So, be a warrior, not a lazier.